koro koro or you dey hear me whine. Now you say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia Max VHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 on top of My TV, and for internet www.wazobiatv.tv/live. This na the ogbonge politics discussion show. As E Dey Hot, we dey tell una say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action story where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry am, drop am down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside, and talk am the way the team do you for body, so that those who the leaders go do wetin hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother Wayne Sabuel as they concern politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, now another beautiful Tuesday morning now don't carry coming our way, and the program now as E Dey Hot, as just as Chukwudi don't talk that political program where they do it in, where they sunshine and they informate now different political activities where they happen for within Nigeria. Today we know different. We also can enter some kind of level. We say yes, everybody will show interest for this particular because it concerns everybody. And make I talk again, it concerns us. We also open our phone lines with that time research at least one now will call. Now also contribute now one little quarter to how we go feed take advance our country forward. My name never to change. My name is Nkubi. And this now As E Dey Hot. We
get one ogbonge visitor when we say, you know, they waka anyhow. And anytime when he decide to waka, then we say plenty discussion, go full ground. I assure una say, una go carry plenty drum. They put all this talk inside based on the topic where we don't carry come. And they talk of no other than the CEO of Bube's Pap. We people will call her entrepreneur based on the business where she they do. And they talk of Ijeoma Ndukwe-Egwuronu. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you, Chukwudi.
I said, this is your laughter self. You think they make the topic look like not be serious topic like that.
Of course, yes. Madam Ijeoma, we get one tradition here. Before making no be say whether they tackle you or probably ask you questions left and right, would they always shake the hand of our guest. So as once the question starts,
no
go please say whether will carry you for mind. You understand?
Shake hand, liver. Which one you they shake hand? You be hotter boy, they shake and they hold on.
No, I need to shake.
Now Pope, you shake. Welcome to As E Dey Hot. This topic we discuss a very serious one. Now don't spoil economy.
No talk.
And you don't talk this
among
one.
Economic spoilers.
Which one? You know they are among economic spoilers.
Don't accuse me of it now.
Now when they give dollar to people who won't go Hajj, true of us.
Ask the government. Don't do you. Respect our
once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot. You will not escape it today.
You will not also escape it.
We drop the topic, go carry come.
You don't say go drop the topic before you come to tackle me.
Our people went there for us. We call this one Naija economy. Hope there for business people. Now question mark. Everybody don't already know. Say so many times we don't talk and say our economy don't reach the level where we say as a country we when we say everything when they wait for now oil money. Say that time don't pass. They don't talk about diversification. But this diversification, it gonna sound like song when the video featuring Whiskey they sing because everybody gonna hear diversification. People they ask say what do the thing we do to use ensure say this our economy the thing they standard and the thing they very very strong. On top of As E Dey Hot today we go look the economy of Nigeria, come check how business people for inside this country they take survive. Check na ordinary mouth or they do them the right way. We go quick rush enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we go launch fully into our discussion As E Dey Hot. No go anywhere when they come back.
Yes, welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot. For our viewers who they watch us for that is free to air, Go TV, Star Times and My TV. And we don't carry that to same ogbonge program coming our way. What they give now every different activities that they happen for within Nigeria. I will tell already say today topic now one very important topic will be say every Nigeria will do it go on show interest. Now what we call them? We call them Naija economy. Hope day for business people. I will still get our ogbonge guest where we say she never even launched the talk because by the time she go launch the talk will be very serious. And Chukwudi also they very that is strong in the studio. And so Madam Ijeoma, straight up we could enter into the question. Okay, we don't hear about diversification. Look, we look the condition of our economy, that is the Nigeria economy. And then from your own angle, how you will take at least define the economy based on how it really reflects on the people?
Okay, so the truth be say, before, now oil, they give money like that for Nigeria. But you know, say me na kamwa they sell. So either way, maybe I agree for the diversification. But at the end of the day, it's about Whether then they give us the enabling environment.
Shame.
You understand? To carry out this whole diversification, where just they sound like plenty grammar. Waiting be diversification, make we just break them down. Okay. Diversification is just, you know, make it be say, every aspect of the economy get us to take the contribute to the general pocket of the economy. Now it be just this big grammar diversification as it be.
So the question now say, for people when they do business inside of Nigeria now, based on say government don't talk say okay we go good make we diversify. People can talk say okay I won't do agriculture, I won't do any kind of business where we say I go use they get some other things and in the long run they contribute to say the country they move forward. How you go take free assess the situation now based on the way the economy day now. As the Nkubi now, the way when the economy from the angle when they look this economy now because even the Minister for Finance come out use her own mouth talk say technically, because now technically they put now, technically we have defeated Boko Haram, technically we are working on Fulani S-men, technically the economy is technically we padded the budget. Now technically the economy is in recession. If we check what in recession be, recession, the thing sounds sweet for mouth because the way they come out recession. But the meaning is something where they very, very strong. Now, people, their money, they constant, but the price, they increase. Take, for example, bag of rice, they say now 20,000, 19,500, but minimum wage now still 18,000 naira. Now, what if those things when we say we put in place to use ensure, say, if we talk, say, we diversify, not be just ordinary amount. Because this Nkubi, the one they see now, this diversify when they talk. Oh my God. It's just like saying, I just talk.
Is the question meant for me? Let me ask the question. Madam Ijeoma dey here to give us answer.
It's meant for your people.
Madam Ijeoma, right on Jare, they hear you.
So, diversification, Abi, recession, all na grammar. Just like you talk, say bag of rice don't increase
to 20.
But that one a bag of rice, so bag of corn what use the seller can don't also increase price by 100%. So no be only rice. And somebody been they argue with me say no before Naija and they produce corn, how we take the increase money? I say okay, but when you not increase price of fuel. Now, price of transportation you increase for farmers to move the produce from where they produce
to the various locations.
To the various locations. So when they don't calculate plus fuel money, join waiting them produce for their farm, prices don't increase. But people making money, you know, they increase. The way prices they increase for market. Power no day. So even to store some of these things where we they talk. How you want to take store RAM now? You go first buy generator, put diesel, all that money join. Which as a business person, you go add on for cost of production or cost of anything where it be where you they sell. Road no good. So your car where you don't buy, if the depreciation supposed to be like 5 years, for Naija road it go be 1 year.
Or if you say you don't target a particular place, okay, within this place I won't reach in the next 1 hour. Maybe it could be because of bad road, 2 hours or 3 hours. I will take
if now only time be the problem, that one no problem now. Okay. But you talk say your shock absorber for bad road, so the money where you use they go mechanic, all joy for cost too. So the matter deep, sha.
So the way when this issue there now, it's very, very obvious. Say if we talk, say we want diversify, we want make our economy strong. Not be just to the play lip service to them. I go identify 3 problems. So you mentioned first and foremost, you been talk about the fact say salary they constant or money they constant, but things they increase. You talk about corn when they do account business, for example. Corn talk say the thing increase by 100%, but the money when the profit when person still they make, now it's be the same way they make. The
no
profit
don't
increase by 100%. Then number 2, you been talk you also talk about power. Say even
factor,
all those things follow for those particular things where you use. Then you also can't talk about transportation. Now we'll look these 3 things now. How we go take we address them one after the other to use ensure say okay for people when they do business they will survive. Take for example corn. That's something where we grow for Nigeria, but the price don't increase. I won't ask which kind corn be this particular one. For example, I know Nkubi now. Like if you see in cap, you go know say in a person when we say in like farm work.
If you plant
corn, where you hand even they show say in go fit throw corn seed where. Now the question now say how we go take feed do and when we say okay in a country where we talk say green for our flag stand for agriculture, our land they fertile. For example, that corn when they use they do akamu business now. How we go take feed cultivate them to use ensure say if people won't even buy corn. Now you go be like say they go even they use corn they beg you. Say madam come collect corn.
Difference there to plant corn and to make sure say rich who go buy them. So your question different. So corn 50 day. how we go take reach person we
various people won't buy them.
I want to know that question.
Another question. How you won't take waka? You no get leg. Where you go use waka from farm, come meet you from market.
Okay, basically, what you try to tell them, say, if corn on its part as an agricultural this thing, they successful, which means what you try to tell us now, we say, the means at which this corn will take reach out to Nigerians, now they do it, now they cause the increase.
It follow now. Because now 36 states we they talk where they grow, where the corn they grow
pass, yes.
Where they grow in quantity, because difference there. If you plant the one way now for only my house, and transportation cost no day now. So if I come out, I mean no cost. But if they talk of say you want move 1,000 kg, 1 ton, 10 ton, 100 ton, because now 180 million Nigerians will they try to feed. So no be one person go plant her. No be one person go carry a rich market. So either which way drive away drive the motor, follow for inside this inflation. So in price where it go give you as cost to move the product from farm to market go increase because the man will get family. So all join.
All join.
So for what you they talk now,
join.
from the angle that they look at now, it's very, very obvious. Say, as we they talk about diversification, it be like saying I just talk, we they talk. We never really put body, because if you indeed want diversify, you go put certain things down when go really show say, okay, oh, we don't they come up from this oil business. But when we can look back now, okay, person when they do business, for example, like your own business 3 years ago, and the reality of today.
Exactly.
What will be the major difference, and what will be the way when we say them fit take rescue the situation? Take for example, if you check all the statistics from last year, maybe by this time last year, or by the time when we say former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan hand over to our papa, when come be president today, it be like say from that time till now, everything does they go down. Everything they go down. Everything they go down. Everything they go down. Now the question I say, make we look ease of business. Say, okay, the way you do business like 3 years ago, and the way you do business now, what will be the difference when they inside there, and how we will take fit correct that particular situation, maybe as government, as people, and as Nigerians when we want to make this country go forward?
Okay. Now you talk about diversification. You get what economists they call value chain. The money where you go make to sell corn as it's were, and the money where you go make if you don't process the corn, reach the final stage, like this my akamu now. You make more money when you don't process them. Just like when they talk of oil, they go say we they export crude. Why we know they refine them? Say if we refine them, we go make more money. It's simple economics. It's basic. You understand? Supply chain.
I know this. I know economics.
Continue.
You understand? So no be waiting then go do, waiting then no go do. Because 3/4 of the thing, no matter I want take talk, we the important.
3/4.
In fact, if no be 90%. So now you they talk corn. Make I use my own give example. I know they to talk for another person business. I they pack the akamu for bowl now, so people they will go back and come say, your own day better na local production. And they produce plastic. Okay, and they produce the plastic locally. Make I give you one small gist. The people where they produce the plastic, they don't shut down. They don't close market. Because they no get raw materials to produce the plastic. You know, even there for market. I don't want to take buy the dollar where they go use import the raw material where they go use do the plastic. Where I now when I come out they sell I go use. Other one na question.
Very important questions.
Okay, so it don't they very obvious say yes, they will get reality on ground. And the realities and just these challenges where you don't do it, where you don't present. But then even in the heat of these challenges, we don't see people where we say, yet, they see the advance for their businesses. No matter how tough, we don't say, yes, the enabling environment be issue. But then, you get some people who say, in as much as the enabling environment still the stumbling block, they still do it, they still exceed, they successful. What if that way we say that they think outside the box, they make their business different?
As then they advance, then they make money. Answer.
Well, I'm not in their shoes. You never can tell them.
Exactly. So now when they go talk as an entrepreneur, determination, they go start to speak plenty grammar. Because what you're doing is that you go look long term. Okay, anyhow, if make it just be a day market.
Make it just be the survive.
Make it just be, not even survive. Survive not follow for this matter now. Make it just be say, Make I use Bubes Pap, for example. Make it just be said and they see Bubes Pap for market. Now, we know they talk whether they make money or we know they make money. Now, make we just see. Make we just day. In the next 5 months, make we see as it go be. Because as price they go up, you feel not just they jack your own price. Because as we they talk now, salaries, they constant. Because people, they watch their operational expenses. They don't want crash. So I don't go wake up now, just they increase salary anyhow. So now the same money, the person go use buy their camo. So I don't think just they increase the price because it go reduce also the volume of sales. So all join. Not be about enabling environment alone. So if the money not there, you know, close the gap of your profit margins. Organa die the business day so.
So now it's very obvious. Say as business people they for inside Nigeria now. Now God hand now in the day. Those of us who get business, you understand? Because
well, we know your kind of business. You just ask your question if you have any question. No.
We know your own kind of business now.
No. We know your own kind of business. Don't here. Because I say you see, madam, we know your own kind of.
With what Nigerian army do for Ikorodu, we know why your business is not moving again.
What business is that?
You know the business.
What business?
You wear their cap. You know the business.
You respect yourself.
You know the business. You to respect yourself. I'm talking of business.
Business, who does business?
This thing they affect me because I can't get.
Am I not being affected?
Which business do you do?
The economy don't affect me.
Which economy?
Recession they talk about don't affect me.
Where are you from? Are you from Nigeria? Nkubi. Are you from Nigeria?
What is that supposed to mean?
What is that? You see your name Nkubi. Chukwudi. Ijeoma Chukwudi. Ijeoma.
The angle you want to bring up now.
Nkubi.
Clap for yourself.
Not clap for myself.
Clap for yourself.
We are discussing business people. They talk about business.
Ask your question, young man.
Let me go there. Coming from the business angle as a CEO.
I know you are an area father.
Of what? Of business?
No.
Let's continue. Now, it's very obvious the way when things they now say if we talk about business for inside of Nigeria, no matter whether you sabi the book from now to tomorrow, you get the experience from now to tomorrow, anything can happen. Because you talk about certain factors. For example, the people when they do the plastic, when they buy from, to package your camera, when people look say, oh, it's really lovely. You know. They don't shut down because to get, to buy dollar, to get raw materials, not even there at all. All these things, no day. Now, the question now, they say, if as we get governments now, everybody knows, say, economy, if we break them down now, maybe as the money they enter for country account, what will they use the money do, and how people for the country they benefit from now. With the way when this government they now, with the way we get, because they don't say we get economic team, we get vice president will be professor, he be pastor or join. So he read the book and in the see vision. I won't believe. We get minister of finance, woman when sabi talk and English clear well. But make we talk true with the factors when they are the way when this thing they go. Now you go talk about this journey when they go. So it be like say we go reach one place, come turn. I mean, now express into Canaan, now we they go. Now you go answer that question. Now you go answer that question. Are we going highway into?
Are we going into the dreamland? Exactly. That first site where we really get for the country. As we just go without no direction. We don't just know where they go.
You don't say for Naija, our best language. So now it is well.
It is well.
Hey. And now I go talk now. Join to. It is well.
It is
but
well.
The only problem with me layman wey no sabi book I see be say it be me like I no dey sure as I no be professor. It be me like if to say the problem for last 2 years, you like say the journey now don't dey longer for where we dey. I use an example. Yesterday I call one of our suppliers. She be business na cash flow. You go dey watch how much they come in, how much they spend. Okay, make her just wait, spend this one. That's just the trick in business. Then when you call your supplier, when you never produce something, when at 1 month, it tell you say you go pay 100% upfront. Why? Because dollar rate no stable. So you and Amfi just do, talk this invoice or negotiate this invoice today when at 400. Tomorrow you come back na 500. So you know there for pay me 70% today, pay 30% on delivery, 100%. Where do you even want to get the 100% from? All follow, call na funding problem. Then we know interest rates. Then we dey talk say people no get money to buy. You understand? So, and then when we dey talk diversification, they talk exportation. The people wey dey export go give their standard high. So if we dey talk of international best practices and you want keep that standard, make we dey check the cost.
But then if we could check the cost, but then this thing are like reality we don't done on our face, and the government on their own part, in as much as we know say somehow the economy get challenges, the government on their own part, they don't know say all these visibilities, all these things where they on ground, they really affect the people. And I been I say they just say let us just I be the same thought wey the people get. Now they also get say let us just see where.
Let's break this thing down so that she go understand. Shey this government when they now.
No,
wait. This government when they now. Now Baba Jebu that they use our economy do.
Why would you break my question?
Why are you sugarcoating it?
No, I need to ask the question. You know.
Don't we have a CBN governor?
We do. So
don't we have a minister for the economy? So why is it looking like we don't have a direction? Ask the question where it be. Chena say this government, una they take and do snake and ladder, ludo, una they play this thing. Say the truth. I'm speaking for the Nigerian people.
I am. Let me also speak for my own people.
Which people are you speaking for?
Nigerians.
Southwest Cameroon. Ask the question.
Nigerians.
Ask the question as it be.
Okay, basically, just respect yourself. Let me ask my question. Basically, if we say this government, they don't get that sense of direction or towards where the economy they head to, and that is why the people they know they carry that log. I mean, I just total ignorance for the system.
No, how you go be total ignorance? We all they live here now. We they see them. Let me just give you an example. When dollar to naira was, I'll use 200. Okay. Make the math easy for my head. So if you get business where the business is worth 200 million, Abi. Now you be say on global, now $1 million. Do you understand? Globally, you be big boy. Today, what it automatically means is that your business is worth $500,000. We just use that one, do mass. So the big man or the economic team, they know this mass pass me. So they are not ignorant. Nobody say they know.
True.
They know.
Where the lapse is going? Where the solution?
I know they for economic team.
Why you go there?
So not ask me.
Let me step in as a gentleman. Why you go the answer where the lapse is there, where the solution there? When your people, when you get their phone number, like every Nigerian when they know. No, say
you never can tell, Madam Ijeoma fit get experience of economic okay, see what we fit do. Okay. See the way out. You never can tell. Okay. So no, they ask me say, well, it is my question.
Okay, but Madam Ijeoma, making no put you for trouble because if they try to run away from him, make we check reality. Make we can check moving forward now. Now, like we talk say the Minister for Finance come and talk say the economy dey in recession. Other people don't even go check and say, okay, the litre of rice when they buy maybe 200 before, it don't become 300 or 350. So it's very, very obvious. Say, people things they go up for price, but the money when they use they buy the thing, no, they increase. I thought if the thing they come down. Now, make we check moving forward now. See the situation when we dey now. People when we say, for example, they do plastic when they use the package your camo. They don't close, they don't go. So if you go even go get now, it means that you will go far
and
from where you go before, and it will go even cost more to get them. Now we'll go check what will be the things we fit do now to fit remedy this particular situation. When we say people when they do small business, at least price go begin they come down, the economy go there because people don't already talk and say whether we like them or not today, or people they call it inevitable. Say we go experience this particular thing because some people then the way when they run the country before they run them like say they give us what they on the surface, they don't tell us what they inside. But now we don't see the reality. Say some people chop money and the economy get K-leg. Now what we go fit do to use give this our economy blood? When we say diversification for real, go be diversification. Small people when they do business or people when they do business, they go really put their two legs to go outside they do business. Don't be say before you invest money, go say Father Lord take control. Don't let anybody happen to my money because now common sense. If you give me no come now help you do transaction for setup when we say no they okay.
Way forward, either which way we want check out. Get what in basic amenities, light,
true,
road. These ones we not supposed beg
at all.
Because if I get power, I go to pay PHCN now. I'm not going to buy diesel.
Thank you.
You know me, I use example of myself as I no be professor, as a normal akamosela wahabi.
That you is.
You know, now if I no get NEPA, I go run diesel.
True.
Generator go break down. All those ones don't they add to cost. So really and truly, now say all these other ones just suppose they first.
Very true.
If they're now day, we go now talk about how business now money they use they do them.
Yes.
Now money they use they grow them.
Yes.
Now money they use they sustain them.
Yes.
Small upcoming businesses like my own.
How they will fit take support them,
exactly. And not be support them for paper.
At least with
now two different things.
Okay.
I mean, proper support. Because you go first grow the business now where the customers go come, they buy in that large quantity where you go come, they make the money, you go market business, you go. Plenty cost day inside business where on a normal day, if you know just they check them, you know, like say,
something.
But at the end of the day, if you look at
consumer more,
all join. You understand? So if they even get platform where they promote these small businesses and do some of this marketing, you know, just they cut costs, small, just they use all these ones as excuse. Just help the small businesses, they cut corners. The funny part is that, in fact, right now, I think yes, that 10% say, thank God, sir, be small business. Say if I fold up now, you know, I don't kill anybody. But just imagine person like Nigeria breweries or all these big companies. You understand? Just imagine that one day, then say they don't get materials to work.
Now you say the matter. So as we did like this now, from what you don't talk now, we don't give government assignments. We don't talk about power. Even though our guy Nkubi, he don't talk, say his son self they get it trash for night. So I don't even know where the power will come from. If the minister pick too, if they get it trash for night, I don't know where the power they come from. Then we'll go also talk about road. Road now something when we say it dey ground, then go do am, then go maintain am. But it can't be like say all these things no day for this country at all. So now the question now I say the way when some people don't already come and talk say before Nigerians go get power, we go need to pay more. Or other people don't already come and talk say before Nigerians go get power, make we go beg militants them when they bomb all these things, make them stop them. Now, before you go answer that question, when I go ask, we will go this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. You when they ask, you'll get opportunity self to call in and contribute to your discussion. And then say plenty people go there as they talk, say 1 liter of kerosene na this amount, 1 bag of rice na this amount, all this one na this amount. When we go come back, you'll join in the discussion. Don't go anywhere. I still as it is hot. Will they come back? To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.